Hi, I'm criminal defense attorney Aaron J. Boria, and today on episode 2 of Quick Michigan Legal Tips, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Holmes Youthful Trainee Act. So what is the Holmes Youthful Trainee Act? Well, first off, it is commonly referred to as HYTA, and it is found under Michigan's criminal law section MCL 762.11. What does HYTA do? So what HYTA does is for people between the ages of 17 and 26, this law recognizes that young people don't always make the best decisions. And just because you make a mistake real young in life, that shouldn't necessarily mark you forever. Essentially, the law recognizes that young people do dumb things and they should get a second chance. So under HYTA, a person does not get a criminal conviction and their record is sealed. And the way this works is for someone between the ages of 17 and 24, the judge has to agree to it. The prosecuting attorney is the person against you, and while they can object, if you're between the ages of 17 and 24, legally only the judge has to agree to HYTA. If the person is from the age of 24 to 26 though, then the prosecutor does have to be on board. They have to agree to a defendant getting the special status of Holmes Youthful Trainee Act. You cannot get HYTA on every single criminal offense, but you can get HYTA on most criminal offenses. Some of the offenses you cannot get it on are life offenses like murder or armed robbery, major controlled substance offenses, and traffic offenses are excluded as well. You can't get HYTA on a DUI. If you are given HYTA, you'll be placed on probation for a period of time. And while you're on probation, the court can require that you get a job, that you maintain employment, that you go to school. It can even require, in some situations, that you participate in electronic monitoring, meaning you wear like a tether. So what happens if you're on probation and you violate HYTA? Well, if you violate HYTA, a judge has discretion to remove you from HYTA and your conviction enters. So your record is no longer sealed, it becomes public. The benefit you had before of not having to disclose a criminal conviction to employers and schools, that goes away. It becomes public, and if asked, have you been convicted of a crime, you would have to say yes at that point legally. There are some offenses, if you're on probation and you have HYTA, but you commit an offense that involves a gun, it's a life offense, if it's a major controlled substance offense, a judge doesn't actually have discretion in these cases to let you keep HYTA. They're supposed to remove you. I'm criminal defense attorney Aaron J. Boria, and if you've been charged with a crime, call me today. I can be reached at 734-453-7806 or shoot me an email at borialaw@gmail.com. I am happy to fight for you.